Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As Ganesh Chaturthi is few days away, I am back with another interesting eco-friendly Ganesha idol making video using natural clay. Thank you for sharing so much love on my last year Ganesha making video using turmeric. Special thanks to everyone who sent their idols to me after making. I was very happy to see all the beautiful recreations of Ganesha idols. Now let's start the video. For making the idol, I got this DIY clay Ganesha making kit from Amazon. You can get it from Amazon or from Itsy Bitsy website. I just got this in 3 days after placing the order. You can also use Prime to get it faster. Sometimes there will be discounts too where you can get this in lesser price. In this kit we get this reusable plastic mold with which we can easily make the idol, craft wool, a guide with instructions of how you can make the Ganesha idol using this kit, and natural terracotta clay. First take the clay that we got from the kit with an airtight packaging and open it. If you are planning to make Ganesha idol out of turmeric, then check out my last year Ganesha making video by clicking the I button here or check the link in the description box below. Now take the craft wool. Take some amount of clay and mix it with craft wool like this. Knead it well until the craft wool mixes well with the clay. This makes the clay more strong and cracks free for making the idol. If the clay is too hard, you can add some drops of water while kneading it. Don't add too much of craft wool to the clay. It doesn't give the neat finish to the idol if there is more craft wool. Making Ganesha idols always gives us extreme happiness filled with fun and joy. This Ganesha can be made by anyone from kids to elders with zero experience in Ganesha making. You can also involve your kids in this and they'll absolutely enjoy making Ganesha idol. Now our well kneaded clay is ready for making the idol. Now take the mold and grease it with oil using cotton. Grease the whole mold with oil so that it helps the idol to come out easily from the mold. You can use any kind of oil like vegetable oil or coconut oil or baby oil. Don't apply too much of oil. If you add more oil to the mold, the clay starts coming out when we add it to the mold. Now take small pieces of clay and start adding it to the mold like this. Press the clay gently into the mold to get the proper shape. Take the mold into your hand and do the process, as the mold can get damaged if you press it by keeping it on the base. You can also reuse this mold as many times as you want if you use it gently. If you want this video in Telugu, check out my other channel where I posted it in Telugu by clicking the I button here or check the link in the description box below. Make sure to add the clay to every corner of the mold. Repeat the process and fill the entire mold with clay. If you want to make any backdrop for Ganesh Chaturthi, I had already shared few traditional backdrop ideas on my channel. Do check out backdrop or decor playlist on my channel for all the decor videos. Smoothen the surface on the top like this to get the proper finish on the back. Add little water if required. Once filling is done, gently turn the mold and check that the clay covers each and every part of the mold. Press the area well where the mold is not covered with clay. Let it set for 2 hours and take the idol from the mold and check if there are any cracks. Smooth it using water if you find any cracks. Now remove any excess clay on the sides with an X-Acto knife or any suitable tool. Any carving or smoothing to the idol should be done at this stage. Once it is dried completely, you cannot carve or smoothen the idol. Now let it dry for 24 hours. It might take more time to dry depending on weather conditions. After 24 hours, the idol looks like this. You can use this Ganesha idol as it is for puja, or you can also paint it. Now coming to the painting part, as the idol is in brownish color, first I am using white acrylic paint all over the idol so that the colors we add will pop out. You can also use gesso instead of white paint. If you want to make marigold flowers at home to use it for backdrop or to decorate the idol, do check out my video on marigold flower garland making by clicking the I button here or check the link in the description box below. Once the front part is dried, you can place the idol on the base like this and paint backside. I am using chrome yellow acrylic color for clothing. Filling the bottom area except rat using salmon pink acrylic color. Now filling the entire body and leg with fresh tint acrylic color. Here I am adding gold color to the crown, rat and ornaments. Here I am adding some highlights using gold color. If you are planning to draw Rangoli for Ganesh Chaturthi, check out my easy to make Rangoli video using stencils so that anyone with zero experience can also easily draw Rangoli. Also check out my Rangoli series playlist for more Rangoli videos. Now adding yellow to the clothing again. Here I am adding some highlights with gold color. Adding lines to the trunk and filling few areas with salmon pink color. Here I am adding eyes using black gel pen. Here I am adding tilakam, Om symbol and a swastik symbol on the hand using crimson red color. Here I am adding some kundans, stone chains and ball chains to enhance the look of the Ganesha idol using fabric glue. You can decorate it in your own way with different colors and kundans in multiple ways. If you make Ganesha idol inspired by this video, please share it with me on my Instagram. I would love to see the beautiful idols that you make. And this is how it looks after adding everything from the front and back. And my beautiful Ganesha is all set for puja. And here is the final look of the Ganesha idol. If you have any questions on making, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can help you out. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful videos. Also click the bell icon to not miss any updates from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.